guys, today I'm doing a mini review of this little plant cafe called the Forest Canteen, which is an in-house cafe for this plant design laboratory known as the Moonshop Gallery. It's basically a terrarium workshop, and I thought it was a really unique space that was pretty relaxing and also very Instagrammable. Speaking of which, all photos are by Food For Me, so don't forget to check out her Instagram. The layout of the place separates the cafe and plant workshop areas. On the left is the Moonshop Gallery and also the counter where you order your food. As you can see, it's a rather cozy space for people to work on their terrariums. I really love watching this project that this lady was working on. It looked like a miniature rainforest in a bottle. That's just really cool to me. If you're a plant lover, this place is definitely worth checking out. I like that the walls here were all glass, so it was full of natural sunlight. However, it did make the space feel a bit warm for me. There wasn't a lot of space to move about, and the entire area was full of fragile objects, so I had to be careful when moving around. A good thing to note is that there's lots of parking space available right in front of this cafe, but you do have to pay about 2 ringgit an hour. If you're here to take photos for Instagram, you do need to be mindful of the people working on their plants. Be quick and unobtrusive about it, and don't linger for too long. I have to say, this light-up terrarium system here looked beautiful up close. I really think the Moonshop Gallery has a pretty amazing concept, and I'm thinking of coming back for one of their plant workshops, maybe someday soon. By the way, I really like their business cards, that narrow shape and the font. I just find it so pleasing to look at. Alright, time to back out of here and take a look at the actual cafe on the right, the Forest Canteen. As mentioned earlier, the cafe is in a separate space. In the middle, you can take a seat while waiting for the staff to bring you to your table. You will also need to scan the QR code for the digital menu and for contact tracing. An important thing to note is that you definitely need to book your table ahead. Reservations are compulsory because the seating is very limited. Outside, you can see that only seat 6. You walk in, there's this little rock feature here, and along the side, you can see that there are another 6 seats. You walk further in, and there is this large table that also seats 6, so the cafe can only seat a maximum of 18 people. The atmosphere gave me Studio Ghibli vibes, but with a modern setting. I guess that was a conscious aesthetic choice given that they were playing Ghibli music covers. I definitely heard Totoro at one point. This area was also more cool and comfortable compared to the plant workshop area. A glass of water was provided before we ordered, which is nice. This is what their digital menu looks like through the QR code. And although they don't have a wide selection, they do change it up often, plus the prices are pretty reasonable. They offer mostly Chinese dishes and dessert. For drinks, I recommend the Taro Latte. The food was fairly tasty and the portions were not overly large. The lunch set provided a decent variety, what with the rice, meat, veg and soup, so overall I'd say it made for a pretty satisfying meal. While we were eating, some customers were brought over from the Moonshop Gallery to the Forest Canteen to work on their projects in the cool air-conditioned space, so that was fun to watch while we were having our meal. I liked how this cafe has a very bright and wholesome feel, but with the clean lines and the glass globes, it still keeps it feeling really modern. The Forest Canteen cafe area also provides lots of Insta-worthy shots, plus there are fewer people moving around to worry about. Overall, I really enjoyed visiting the Forest Canteen and having a peaceful meal while surrounded by plants. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the start of my new series which consists of vlog reviews of places of interest in Penang, such as cafes, museums, etc. If you want to see more of these, do comment below and let me know. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next cafe vlog. Thanks so much for watching guys. I will see you next time. Bye!